We need you. Where are you at? What are you doing? You're making life hard for us because whatever you've got in your mind, you're not pulling it into reality for us. You have a piece of this earth that no one else has. You have a piece of this reality that no one else has. We need you. We need whatever is inside of that brain that you have been thinking about to bring out into reality, to make life a lot more smooth, easier, fun, exciting, advanced, evolved. We can't do that until you come out of your head and put it into reality. I know you're thinking, somebody probably has already done that. Bro, I'm going to just tell you. I went on Amazon yesterday looking for toilet cleaner. Do you know there's no toilet cleaner on Amazon? Go look it up right now. That's a hole that needs to be filled. I know you think this world is big, but it really ain't that big. And I know you think that everything is oversaturated because that's what they tell you in order to sell you the courses or whatever it is they trying to get you to buy. Bro, this world is so small. It's so small that you can think of a username that no one else has. Come on, bro. Think about it. You can think of a username for Instagram, TikTok, or whatever that no one else has. That's how small and how uncovered we are. We need you. Come on, bro.